In this video, I will talk about top 5 tips for your virtual interview. I'm Dr. Farzana Hoque, and Assistant Professor of Medicine. My first tip for you is that adjust Zoom settings for polished look. This is free. This comes with the software. You should take advantage of this. So let me show you how you can do that. After you log into your Zoom account, you will find this page. Then click on this right-hand side on Setting. After you open this window, you will find at the left-hand side, click on the second option, Video. So after you open the video, here you will see this option, Touch Up My Appearance. Personally, I found this feature absolutely fascinating because it helps to have that polished look immediately. Fun part is that once you set it up, you are good to go for all your next meetings. So use it. Number 2, adjust Zoom settings for clear sound. I definitely recommend you to use it because when I am doing the online classes, it helps me to suppress the background noise and helps me to project my voice in a much clearer way. Let me show you for this part. If you go to the Zoom setting, now you should click on this third option for audio. And after you click on this audio, click on this suppress background noise. I set it up as high because it will suppress all your background noise and your voice will be much clear. If your voice is not bitterly heard, doesn't matter how important or how nice you are talking, everything will go in vain. So use this setting so that it will suppress all your background noise. Number 3, background. Majority of the time, we cannot change the color of our wall. However, you can always decorate it professionally. In my view, the very easy way to decorate your background to showcase if you have any awards. It also looks that you are a high performer, you are a dedicated person. On the other hand, if you do not have any awards, keep it simple. You may have some plans, however, keep it simple. You may also go with a small bookcase, but definitely nothing. Make sure that you are not having lot of stuffs. You may saw that many people are using virtual background. If you take a look for just for a few minutes when they're using virtual background, you will notice that their heads are going in and out of the view. Do you want your head goes in and out of the view during your virtual interview? Absolutely not. So I will strongly recommend to avoid virtual background, particularly if you do not have that green screen. I do not have green screen. So I believe it is better to avoid for this professional interview. You can always decorate very nicely and professionally your room. I think that will be perfectly fine. For your background, the main message, I should say that plan your background. Show your interviewer what you want to show them. So in order to do that, you definitely need the plan before ahead. Number 4, eye contact. Whenever I am doing these virtual interviews, I will see that many people, you have no idea where they are looking at. So how you can achieve that direct eye contact? The secret is to look at your camera directly. If you are looking at your camera directly, this will perceive on the other side that you are looking at the camera and you are making the perfect eye contact with your interviewer. I can understand. It's not easy to look at the camera suddenly because everything is new for us. The remedy will be practice little bit. That will definitely improve you, and during your virtual interview, you will remember that you need to look at the camera directly to have that eye contact. It's just the matter of practice. 5. Lighting. Place the light in front of you. If there is any light source at your side, that will put shadow on one side of your face. Imagine you are doing the virtual interview and one side of your face has light and another is dark. Absolutely no, no. So make sure the light is in front of you. If you do not have those fancy ring light, you can easily use your old LED table lamp. It works perfectly fine. I use LED table lamp. The secret here is that make sure it is white color. I have bonus tips for you. That is, silent your phone. You do not want to have that distraction during your interview. But keep it aside. You may ask why. Because there could be any technical issues on your side or maybe your interviewer side. Nobody can predict the future. In that unpredictable situation, they may call you. You may have to complete your interview through the phone, which we do not know. So make it silent, keep it aside, and most importantly, do not panic. Have that energy to adapt with any unpredictable changes. These are my 5 easy and effective tips. I wish you all the success.